All right, Greg Remmenga joins us for some more free legal advice. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And today you're going to talk to us about the process after a car accident, specifically what happens with your vehicle afterwards.
Well, you're in a car accident and somebody else wrecks your car.
Sure.
What's going to happen to your car? The very first thing is that an adjuster from the car company, the insurance company for the person that hit you, is going to evaluate the car and try to determine how much damage is done.
Okay.
You probably also want your own car insurance company to do the same evaluation. You may have to pay a deductible if your car insurance company pays the damage and you were not at fault, but they can get that money back from the person that caused the accident.
Okay.
But this way you at least have two different entities evaluating your car to see whether it needs repaired or to see what it's worth.
Sure, absolutely.
Once the car is determined what it's going to cost to fix it, they do a determination of what the car is worth.
Okay.
The way they do that is they either use one of those books like the NADA,
Sure.
or they have a system where they go through, the computer goes through car sales for a similar car in your area.
Okay.
So it doesn't really necessarily rely on the NADA book that's a national book.
Could be
It
more of a
relies
global
on,
thing as
right, the actual cars that are sold in your area.
Okay.
So they come up with a value for your car. If the cost to fix the car is more than 75% of the value of the car, they'll consider it totaled.
Okay.
If it's under the 75%, you should be able to get a rental car. They'll take it to a repair shop, it gets fixed, you get your car back.
Okay.
If it's over 75%, they total the car, which means that they are actually buying the car from you. They will make an offer to you for what they think the car is worth. You will transfer title to them. They'll be able to sell the car for salvage or whatever they want,
Sure.
but you're transferring the car to them.
Right, okay.
You also have the first right to buy back that salvage.
Oh, okay.
So if your car's totaled, and let's say that all that was damaged was the trunk. Nothing's wrong with the drivability, the passenger compartment, anything.
Yeah.
You may want to buy it back for salvage value because it's drivable, pocket the extra money and save it so you can get a car at a later date, but continue to drive this car that may not look so good,
Right.
but it works fine and it takes you where you want to go.
Okay.
So it's your option to buy the salvage value.
Interesting.
So it's actually a forced sale is what happens in a car wreck.
And that has to happen if it's above 75%, no matter what?
Yeah, the car will be totaled.
Okay.
A salvage title will be issued, and somebody has to buy it. You're just now negotiating on what the insurance company is buying it for.
Gotcha. Okay, well, that's very interesting. If you have any questions about that or want a free consultation, feel free to contact Greg with that information right there.